Listen carefully. If you can understand English, but you still hesitate when you try to speak, this is not your fault. Most learners are taught how to read English. Some are taught how to write English, but almost nobody is taught how to actually speak English. That's why your mind goes blank. That's why your heart beats fast. That's why you feel nervous. Today, we are going to fix that. Not with grammar rules, not with difficult words, but with a simple, practical system that works in real life. So relax, stay with me, and let's begin. What this video is about. In today's video, you are going to learn how to start speaking English from zero confidence, how to practice English daily without fear, how to use simple sentences correctly, how to build speaking confidence step by step, how to stop translating every sentence in your head. This is not a magic trick. This is a system. If you follow it honestly, you will start feeling confident very soon. Why most people fail in spoken English? Let me tell you the truth. People fail in spoken English because they learn English the wrong way. They memorize grammar rules. They read big vocabulary lists. They try to sound perfect. But spoken English is not about perfection. It is about communication. Children don't learn grammar first. They learn sentences. They repeat those sentences. They make mistakes, and slowly they become fluent. You need to learn English the same way. The real secret of spoken English. The secret is simple. Spoken English is built on a small number of simple words used again and again in different situations. Native speakers do not use complex English every day. They use simple English confidently. And that confidence comes from repetition. You don't need to know everything. You only need to know what you actually use in daily life. The system we will follow. From today, we will follow a very clear system. Step 1. Learn short, useful sentences. Step 2. Practice those sentences out loud. Step 3. Use them in simple conversations. Step 4. Repeat the same sentences until they feel natural. This is how speaking skill is built. Rule number 1. Speak out loud. Reading silently will not help you speak. Your mouth needs training. Your tongue needs training. Your brain needs training. So, from now on, every sentence you learn, you must say it out loud. Even if you are alone, even if you feel shy, even if you make mistakes. Mistakes mean progress. Rule number 2. Simple is powerful. Do not try to sound smart. Simple English is strong English. For example, I don't understand. Please explain again. I need some time. I'm not sure about this. These sentences are simple, but they are powerful. You can survive in any situation with simple English. Daily life spoken English examples. I'm getting ready now. I will call you later. I'm feeling tired today. Can you help me, please? Let's talk about it later. These are the sentences people actually use, not textbook English, real English. How practice should look like. Here is how you should practice. I say a sentence, you repeat it. I say it again, you repeat it again. Slowly, clearly, confidently. Do not rush. Do not skip. Consistency matters more than speed. Stop translating in your head. This is very important. When you translate every sentence from your native language to English, your speaking becomes slow. Instead, connect English directly to actions. For example, you drink water. Say, I'm drinking water. You sit down. Say, I'm sitting now. You feel tired. Say, I'm tired. This is how you start thinking in English. Daily practice routine realistic. You don't need hours. 30 minutes a day is enough if you practice correctly. 10 minutes, repeat sentences. 10 minutes, short dialogues. 10 minutes, think and speak in English. That's it. No pressure, no stress. Confidence comes from action. Confidence does not come first. Action comes first. You speak, then confidence follows. If you wait to feel confident, you will wait forever. So speak first. Feel confident later. What will happen if you follow this system? If you practice daily, your fear will reduce. Your hesitation will disappear. Your sentences will come naturally. Your confidence will grow. Not overnight, but step by step. Final message before practice starts. Remember this: you don't need perfect English. You need usable English. English that helps you talk to people. English that helps you express yourself. English that helps you live confidently. And that is exactly what we are going to build here. So take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's start practicing together. Practice section. Day 1. Speak with me. Don't think, just speak. How to practice. Listen first, then repeat after me. Say it out loud. Don't rush. Daily sentences practice.